Park map and facilities. Good morning, everyone. This talk will help you understand the main map and facilities at Grinnell Park. The main entrance is at the north gate. You may see the south gate on the map, but that gate is used for deliveries and maintenance vehicles only. The cafe is beside the duck pond. Some visitors expect it to be beside the lake, but the lake area is quieter and has no food service. Visitor toilets are behind the education center. The visitor office can give directions, but the toilets are not behind that office. The lake path starts near the wooden bridge. The stone bridge is also marked on the map, but that is part of the longer hill walk. The children's play area is next to the sports field. It is not beside the picnic field because that area becomes too crowded at lunchtime. Picnic tables are in the meadow field. The central lawn is used for outdoor events, so visitors are asked not to move picnic tables there. Cycle hire is available near the east car park. There is also parking on the west side, but bicycles are hired from the east side only. The main information board is opposite the rose garden. It used to stand near the cafe, but it was moved closer to the flower area last month. The rose garden closes at 5:30. The park gates close later, at 7 o'clock, but staff lock the rose garden earlier to protect the plants. Lost property is kept in the visitor office. If you find a bag, phone, or jacket, please take it there rather than leaving it at the cafe. Please follow the signs on the paths and ask park staff if you are unsure where to go. Art Gallery Visitor Guide. Good morning, everyone. This guide explains the visitor route and main facilities at the Riverside Art Gallery. The main entrance is on the west side. The east door is shown on older maps, but it is now used only by staff and delivery drivers. The modern art room is next to the sculpture gallery. Some visitors look for it near the portrait room, but the portrait room is in a different wing. The photography exhibition is on the first floor. There are paintings on the ground floor, but the temporary photography display is upstairs. Audio guides are collected near the cafe. They used to be at the ticket desk, but the new collection point is easier to find near the cafe entrance. The children's activity room is painted blue. The red room is used for talks, so families should follow the blue signs. The gallery shop is beside the gift desk. The information desk can answer questions, but purchases and postcards are handled at the gift desk. The guided tour starts at 3:15. The printed leaflet says 3 o'clock, but the time changed because school groups now leave at 3 o'clock. Group tickets are collected from the education office. Individual tickets are collected at reception, but groups must go to education. The outdoor sculpture area is in the courtyard. It is not in the front garden, although a few large pieces can be seen near the entrance. Lost property should be reported to reception. Security staff may help search the building, but reception records lost items. Please keep to the marked route and ask a gallery assistant if you need directions. New Employee Building Tour.
Welcome to your first day. I will give you a short tour of the building and explain the main staff facilities. Please use the south entrance when you arrive in the morning. The north entrance looks larger, but it is only for visitors and delivery appointments. The payroll team is now next to the finance department. It was near marketing last year, so some older signs may still be confusing. The meeting rooms are on the second floor. The first floor has interview rooms, but normal staff meetings are held upstairs on the second floor. Coats and bags should be kept in the lockers. Please do not leave bags under desks, because the cleaning team needs clear walkways. The staff fridge is in the small kitchen. The large canteen has vending machines and tables, but the fridge for packed lunches is in the kitchen. Your computer induction will be held in the training room. The conference room is being repaired this week, so do not follow the old timetable. The quiet work area has green chairs. You may see blue chairs near reception, but those are only for visitors waiting for appointments. The health and safety talk begins at 2:30. The printed schedule says 2 o'clock, but the trainer changed the time this morning. Visitor passes must be collected from security. Reception issues permanent ID cards, but temporary visitor passes are handled by security. Holiday forms should be sent to HR. Sick notes go to your manager, but holiday requests are checked by the HR team. If you forget any room location, please ask your team leader before walking into restricted areas.
Bus route announcement. Good morning. This is a travel announcement for passengers using Route 27 from Central Station. Route 27 leaves from Bus Bay 4. Please do not wait at Bay 2, as Bay 2 is used by Route 17 today. After leaving the station, the first main stop is the library. The bus reaches the market later, but the library is the first important stop on this route. Because of roadworks, the bus will not stop at Mill Road today. That stop is normally included, but it is closed until Friday. Passengers traveling to the hospital should get off at King Street. The hospital stop itself is closed, so King Street is the nearest safe stop. The journey to the shopping center takes about 25 minutes. The old timetable says 20 minutes, but traffic lights near the bridge now add extra time. The next bus leaves at 10:40. The 10:25 service has been cancelled because the driver is delayed on another route. A day ticket costs £6. A single ticket is £3.20, but passengers making more than one trip should buy the £6 day ticket. Student tickets require a valid card. Please show the card to the driver before paying the student fare. For the return journey, please use Stand B outside the shopping center. Do not wait at Stand D, as that is for airport buses. Lost property should be reported to the travel office. Drivers may check the bus, but they cannot keep lost items after the route finishes. Thank you for listening, and please check the display board before boarding. Section 2 Mixed Review Talk. Welcome to today's Community Open Day. I will explain the main facilities, activities, and travel arrangements before you begin. The Open Day is being held at the Community Center. Some volunteers are from the local school, but the event itself is not at the school. Visitors should enter through the West Gate. The South Gate is closed because staff are unloading equipment there this morning. The information desk is beside the stage. On the old plan it was near reception, but we moved it so visitors can find help during the talks. The first talk starts at 11:15. Your printed program may say 11 o'clock, but the speaker requested a later start. The map collection point is in the green room. Tickets are collected in the blue room, so please do not join the wrong queue. The children's workshop is in the sports hall. The art room is being used for adult craft sessions, not for children today. The cafe closes at 4:30. It normally stays open until 5 o'clock, but the kitchen team has an early finish this afternoon. Parking is free before midday. After midday, parking costs £2, and payment machines are beside the main exit. The free shuttle stops near the library. It usually stops outside the station, but roadworks have changed the route for today. Feedback forms should be returned to the welcome desk. Registration forms are kept by staff, but feedback forms go back to welcome. Please check the display boards during the day because room changes will be posted there first.